So we're gonna start this DIY with my new Creativity Organized by Jot from Dollar Tree. So we got 12 of these smaller pieces, and then we got some of these adhesion rinks. So we're gonna start by flipping these over. We're gonna start here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put these adhesion rinks on the outside corners. So from there, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to make sure that these stay together. So I'm actually gonna be taking some hot glue and I'm gonna be attaching them. What we're gonna do now is the two pieces that are connected all together, I added a couple more of these adhesion rinks kind of throughout, just to add a little more stability once we put all this together. And then I have my two separate ones, but I wanted to make sure, you'll see that there are little grooves. And so when you are putting these together, you wanna make sure that the grooves match up so it'll all connect together. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side where I put my hot glue. I'm gonna connect it to this panel. And I'm using, I'm a big fan of Gorilla Glue sticks, so they stick very quickly. So you gotta move fast. So now that these are all together, you'll notice that I actually put these on similar spots, so when we flip it over, it's gonna connect really nicely. So with these adhesion rinks comes these little adhesive pads that you attach. So we're gonna go ahead and place all of these now, and then we'll be back to move on to the next step. So now that I have all of the adhesive pads on, we're gonna peel them back on both sides. What we're gonna do is we are going to flip this over. We are going to press it together. All right, so you can see we have it together on both sides, so it's double-sided. All right, so what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be taking this panel of pegboard squares, and we are gonna be attaching it to this little Lazy Susan I got on Amazon. It's a 9-inch Lazy Susan, it spins around. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to be gluing it in the center using my hot glue, but you could also use crazy glue for this step. I just want mine to set a little bit faster. So I'm going to first, I'm gonna put the glue on the edges where I want it to go. And I'm gonna clean off some of the excess hot glue that kind of came out. Don't burn yourself. Make sure it's cooled off a little bit before you do that. So now that this is all attached and not going anywhere, I'm gonna set it aside really quickly because I wanted to show you a couple of the other accessories I got from Dollar Tree. So we have a set of 6 pegboard hooks, a square-shaped pegboard tray. I've got 2 pegboard shelves. By the way, all of this stuff comes in black too, so if black is like more of your aesthetic, you can find black versions of all of these. And then another set of pegboard hooks. I found a pegboard cup holder. The best approach I can think to take for this is to kind of not only have essentially the hooks and everything that I can use, but I also felt like it would be really helpful to basically pull out the tools that I want to use this for. So I'm gonna use this cup part to store all my glue sticks. So I'm going to find the perfect spot for it, which I like down here, and then I'm just gonna fill it up. Feeling good about how many glue sticks this thing holds. This is pretty much an entire pack. So we have our glue sticks set up now. The next thing I wanna really focus on storing are things like the roller that I use. So, and then also like scissors, I have a hole punch. I also have another type of squeegee, so I have 2 squeegees. I open a lot of paint, so I've got a paint opener, a roller cutter. This is also from Dollar Tree, so highly recommend getting these. And I have a couple of these little, essentially weeders, I think that's what they call them, when you're trying to pull things up off of vinyl from your Cricut machine. So we're gonna kind of play around with this, and then when we come back, you're gonna see how handy this will be for storage. And there you have it. Here is my amazing DIY craft supply organizer that I made out of the new pegboard products from Dollar Tree.